Hello my friends, today barbecue day. Yes, I buy pork meat, special barbecue metal device, and now we go to the camping, to the beach, rent there something like a little bungalow and prepare the meat. Let's go. Well my friends, we arrived this road through the mangrove forest to the beach and barbecue place. Let's go. Yes my friends, very, very beautiful here. Look, the sun beach. And we rent this one bungalow, something like that. Yeah, this one. Yeah, look, it's beautiful. Place for cooking. Well my friends, we make it. We're here and this is our first Philippine barbecue. Truly amazing. Yummy. I'm also prepared marinated onion. It's very tasty. You like it? Yeah. Okay, it's the last portion. 15 pieces. And here's the dog waiting of bones. Very, very tasty. I like it. Yeah. Taste it.
So tasty.
Tasty? Tasty. Very, very tasty. Well, my friends, it's very tasty. You like it? Yeah. Beach is beautiful, weather is good, and barbecue is tasty. I am happy. Well, my friends, it was really great. Very tasty. Tasty barbecue. All it cost approximately 5k peso to get here, buy meat, barbecue, and another dishes. Now high tide starting, I think. Cool. Wow, look how it's beautiful. I'm happy my friends, really happy. Wow, look. Wow, amazing. Well my friends, we'll go home, we'll eat well and relaxing there. Very good day. Thank you for watching and goodbye.